3. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a direct debit in Wise. First, open your web browser or the Wise app and sign into your account. Make sure your account is verified and that you have a balance or account details and the currency required for the direct debit. Next, go to the account or balance you want to use for direct debits. If direct debits are available for that currency and region, you'll be able to view your account details and use them for eligible payments. Now, provide your Wise account details to the company or service you want to pay by direct debit. Follow their setup process and authorize the direct debit when requested. After that, wait for the company to confirm the direct debit setup. Depending on the merchant and your region, this verification process may take a short amount of time. Next, return to your Wise account and monitor your upcoming payments. Make sure you have enough funds available before each payment is collected to avoid failed transactions. Finally, review your direct debit activity regularly and update or cancel the authorization with the merchant if you no longer want payments to be collected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a direct debit in Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.